All right, welcome back, everybody. We are on level 3 of lesson 8, color LEDs. So this one says adding some color. You probably noticed when you used color LEDs on in the last level, the LEDs turned on as white. There is now a new command in the toolbox called color LEDs color, which lets you specify a color. Try different colors like orange or yellow or magenta to see which colors work with the LEDs. So do this. Use the color commands to set each of the color LEDs to a different color. You should have 10 color blocks in your code when you're finished. All right, so we have, let's run it. Okay. Hmm. Oh, okay. So we can see over here, we have a blue and a green. All right. Or teal and lime, as it says. So now we have to keep going. All right. So, all right, we're going to do this. We're going to say 2. And this one, we're going to say orange. 3, pink. We're gonna say purple. So I know that the glow is kind of hard to see because this one is very clearly blue, very clearly green. But because of the camera, you can kind of only just see the glow on the outside. So I'm gonna try and use differing colors to make it easier to see. So if we reset and run, there we go. Now we see 4 colors. So let's keep going. For this one's gonna be navy, which is probably going to look a lot like the teal, but that's okay. All right. This one's going to be pink. All right. Oop. So that was 5 and 6. This one will be yellow. Okay, this one will be oh, purple, green, blue. Let's just call this one green. All right. 8, we'll say this one magenta. And we'll say the final one, we'll make the final one white. Okay. So reset and run. All right, and here we go. So we can see teal, lime, orange, purple, navy, pink, yellow. Is that pink? It is, yeah. So pink, yellow, green, magenta, and then white. So now we have all different colors. And again, it looks much better in person. Um, but you can see how it's done. So now that we've done that, we'll click on finish and I'll see you on the next level. Here we go.